Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're jumping into the world of graphic communication, the secret language designers, engineers, and creators use to bring ideas to life. If you've ever wondered how a simple sketch becomes a real product, this is where it all begins. Graphic communication is basically using drawings to explain ideas clearly. Instead of trying to describe something with 100 words, we draw it. It's simple, fast, and universal. Anyone can understand a drawing, no matter where they're from. That's why graphic communication is one of the most powerful tools in technology. We start with freehand sketches, quick, rough drawings used to capture ideas before they disappear. You don't need to be an artist, you just need to get your concept on paper. Then we move on to instrument drawings, which use rulers, set squares, and compasses to create accurate, neat, and professional visuals. Next up are pictorial drawings, which show objects in 3D. These include oblique drawings with angled sides, isometric drawings using 30-degree angles for a clean technical look, and perspective drawings that show depth, just like real life. Together, they help us imagine how the final object will actually appear. We also work with 2D and 3D drawings. A 2D drawing shows the front, top, or side of an object with exact measurements. A 3D drawing adds width, making the object look alive and realistic. Designers use both because they provide a complete picture of the idea. To make drawings easy to read, we follow drawing conventions. Rules like using solid lines for visible edges, dashed lines for hidden parts, thick lines for outlines, and thin lines for dimensions. These small details keep our drawings neat, clear, and professional. Speaking of dimensions, we also use scale to make big objects smaller or small objects bigger, while keeping everything in proportion. Dimensions show the exact sizes of each part, so builders know precisely what to do. Without them, even the best drawing could lead to a major building fail. Graphic communication is part of every step of the technology design process. We sketch when we investigate, refine drawings when we design, follow drawings when we make the product, and use drawings to improve and communicate our final ideas. Once you understand how to read and create technical drawings, you unlock a whole new level of creativity. You start seeing how everyday products are designed, how parts fit together, and how ideas become reality. Graphic communication gives you the power to bring your imagination to life, and that's what technology is all about.